Hey, it's TJ from Dashboard by Karl's in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Today we got this 22 F-150 in for a door treatment. We're using the Ground Zero DoorKit Pro complete coverage kit. Wanted to let you guys know some of the layers on it and how this kit works. The first layer we have is this metal kind of tin foil layer. Nice, got a grid pattern on the front, sticky on the back. We got the first layer installed in the door here. What this does on these new vehicles, the metal's becoming thinner, or you're getting plastic panels. This first layer is just there to just kind of beef everything up and get a good platform to start off of. We got our second layer installed here. This is your butyl rubber layer with the foil backing on it. This layer is going to help reduce those low frequencies. This is going to get rid of some of that road noise and other, low frequencies that are coming into the cab. Again, this stuff also has the grid lines on it. And then it's got that really sticky butyl rubber back on the back of there. This layer is good to just kind of beef everything up again and stop those low frequencies. All right, we have the third layer now installed in there. This stuff is going to be a high density waterproof polyethylene, like a foam, high density foam layer. What this does is it's going to help knock down some of those high frequencies out of your system. Again, it's got the grid layer with the sticky back on it. This is our last step here. This is going to go on your door panel itself. This is the open cell foam layer. This stuff's good to help any frequencies that get into your door, any rattles. It's going to kind of cut back on some of that. This stuff is really, really sticky. Don't let this stick to anything you don't want it to go on. But it does work really good on this inside layer just to kind of finish everything off and help get rid of the, some of those rattles that happen in the door. All right, guys, just kind of wrap everything up here. This is the GZDM DoorKit Pro. It's a complete kit, does 2 doors out of there. It's one of the best ones out there.